Hey fellow above ground pool owners, I just wanted to share with you my DIY problem solve when you can't find a filter pump. This is a COVID summer and it seems like everyone's bought little above ground pools, and like we did, and because obviously we can't go to public pools, so for those of us who had to buy our own pool, it's been really hard to find a filter pump. So what I did is I kind of did some research on YouTube, took different people's ideas, and I threw them all together, and I just wanted to share them with you to hopefully maybe help you out. First of all, this disclaimer is because it's electricity and water, they don't mix. And I need to just let you know that it's very dangerous if it's not handled properly. So I just wanted to let you know. So let me show you what I did. I bought a sump pump on Amazon. It was probably like $35, maybe $40. And this is the dangerous part because it is electricity and water and they should not be together, but these are made to be able to pump water out of basements and things. So I figure it's somewhat safe. Do not swim in the pool with the sump pump in the pool. That's a biggie. Some people might think, oh, well, if it's not gonna hurt me, I can do it. I would not swim in the pool with a sump pump. We always take it out and turn it off before we actually get into the water. Anyway, what I did is I set the sump pump on a little open crate so that the air or the water can kind of flush up through and circulate a little better than if it was just sitting flat on the bottom. And I actually ran the hose right to the place where the actual filter pump will send the water back into the swimming pool. What I did to make this different was I bought they call them skimmer socks, and I ordered those on Amazon as well. And what I did is I put the skimmer sock on the end of the hose, so you can see like this, and you see how it's catching the debris that's floating around in the pool. It's great. I mean, it's amazing. I change these out every day. You can reuse them. I just wash them and then I reuse them. So it's very, very sustainable. But what I do is I just let it catch all the debris and I just put it back into the hose. Now I did put a twist tie so that I can replace the sock easier than if I was to use a zip tie. Let me put this back in there again. I do use a zip tie to kind of hold it in place because I have on occasion come out because if it gets an air bubble, sometimes the water backs up and then it can push the hose out and push this hose out of that hose, and then you've lost some water from your pool. So this has been really helpful, just kind of stabilizing it. But it's a simple trick, not very expensive, but it has done a great job keeping our pool clean, and yeah, it's done a great job. I hope this can help somebody. It's really been helpful to me. Hopefully we'll get our filter soon, but if not, this is working great. Thanks for watching.